Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a fruit topping, specifically a strawberry topping. Now, I use this topping for almost anything. Ice cream, you can top waffles or pancakes with it. You can top it on oatmeal. You can top it all over your family or your mother for all I care. It is spectacular. And you don't just have to use strawberries. You can use any fruit you want. And this is made with frozen fruit. So you can even save a few bucks because you're not using the fresh, expensive berries. So before we get started, and I let you in on my secret, delicious topping recipe, I want you to become a subscriber. And I want you to click that notification button so you can see all my videos and tips, because they're really amazing and they come out every week and I want you to be a part of it. Okay, so sometimes I have actually gotten canned pie fillings or canned toppings for cheesecake and they're scrumptious, but I can never get the same taste and the same consistency when I make it myself. Well, I have developed this topping that's amazing, easy, and uses frozen fruit, and it's delicious. And it is spectacular on a cheesecake. And you will see it on top of my strawberry cheesecake. All right, so first thing you want to do is in a medium-sized saucepan, half a cup of granulated sugar. I'm putting that on the stove and getting it ready for what I'm going to do. 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, that's our thickening agent. We're going to add 1/4 cup of orange juice. You can use fresh orange juice. You can use whatever type you want. And 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to pour that in there. Nice, and just gives it a little freshness, a little brightness. And we're going to just stir this up. Now, the one thing I have to tell you is I like whole strawberries. So don't buy the sliced, buy the whole. Because when I put this on waffles or pancakes or cheesecake, I'm making a statement. I want the whole berry. I want it to look amazing. And I don't want little slices to break up when I bring it to a boil. So now you can make a fruit topping and just boil the juices and then add your fresh fruit or your frozen fruit later. But this is all in one step. Super simple, super easy, but you can't go nuts mixing it or you will have mush. So I have about 1 pound or I believe it's 3.5 cups or so of frozen strawberries, and they're whole. They are thawed. Make sure you thaw them. You can thaw them in the microwave or just leave them out for a couple of hours. So in my 1/2 cup of sugar saucepan, I'm going to turn my power on. I'm going to add my strawberries. And I want to coat them with the sugar. Just real quick, coat them with the sugar. All right. And then we're going to add our cornstarch, lemon juice, and orange juice mixture. All right away. This makes about 2 cups of a topping. It doesn't make too much, but just enough. And you know what? It's also great over yogurt, like a yogurt parfait. It's scrumptious. So now I'm going to put this on boil, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right. And just let it come to a boil. It will thicken. Cornstarch, remember, will not reach its full thickening potential unless whatever you put it in, whatever liquid you put it in, comes to a boil. Just know that. So we're going to wait maybe a minute. And right now I can smell the orange juice. I can smell the lemon juice. And I'm just gently tossing them in this liquid until it starts thickening. And then you're going to see this beautiful, thick, lovely sauce around the berries. And I can't call it a sauce. It's really a topping. It's really something because it is so spectacular. And when I made it, I just kept making it over and over because my family enjoyed it. over their waffles. My family enjoyed it over their pancakes, and it just was too good not to make. You can add blueberries if you don't want strawberries. You can add strawberries and blueberries. You can even add some fresh raspberries to this afterwards. Remember, raspberries break down, so you really want to make sure that they are added afterwards, because raspberries are super delicate and very frou-frou. They really like to be treated right. So we're going to wait till this comes to a boil. Remember, I'm not mashing my berries. I'm just going around slowly and gingerly stirring. That's all I'm doing. All right. And now it should come to a boil. And I'm going to show you the transition is really amazing, because it absolutely is so beautiful. I was amazed at how bright the berry, that when the juices and the lemon juice and orange juice and the juices from the strawberry come out, they actually turn so vibrant red. So it actually is a very, very nice consistency and a beautiful bright color. So if you do have just a plain cheesecake, spectacular over that plain cheesecake. Just wonderful. All right, we're reaching a boil. And now I'm going to stir them gently, coat them in that sauce, but it is boiling. And you're going to want to see it bubble, and it is. And I'm going to pour it in my bowl and show you what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to shut it off. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Nice and thick. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring over a glass bowl. I want you to see how beautiful this is. It is so luscious. Look at that. Look how beautiful and thick that is. Look at it. And when it cools, it's going to get thicker. Put a few spoonfuls of that on top of your pancakes. Watch your kids come and run. And the sauce will thicken a little bit around the berries. I take my rubber spatula and just get all that goodness, okay? So you're going to end up with about 2 cups. It will keep in the refrigerator for several days. But get a cheesecake, get a cake, angel food cake, and watch how beautiful you can turn even a store-bought cake or anything plain and really pump it up to look so elegant and amazing. It is spectacular. So I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you make my strawberry topping. I hope you top all your cheesecakes with it. Until next time.